Hello everyone, my name is Anopa Maseva. I come from Zimbabwe and I'm currently studying at City University doing Computer Science Engineering Diploma. My experience so far at City University has been fascinating. The lecturers have been so forthcoming and having a deeper understanding of our career paths and helping us and equipping us with the right tools to follow our dreams. I love the facilities here. We have impeccable taste in all the technologies, and they have the right tools to be able to conduct us and follow the path that we are to do in the field. I love the environment. People, they are so welcoming, they are so forthcoming, they are lovable, and it has been a wonderful stay at City University.